How can I change my billing address?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to change your billing address. This is something that's important to know how to do, especially if you move frequently or have multiple residences.
What is a billing address and why is it important?
A billing address is the address associated with your credit or debit card. It's where your bank or card issuer sends your statements. When making a purchase, your billing address is often verified as an additional security measure. Therefore, keeping your billing address up to date is crucial to ensure seamless transactions and prevent potential issues with your bank or card issuer.
Changing billing address on online platforms.
Many online platforms, such as Amazon, eBay, or your bank's online portal, allow you to change your billing address directly on their websites. Here's a general guide to how it's done. 1. Log into your account on the platform. 2. Navigate to My Account or Account Settings. 3. Look for an option that says something like Addresses, Billing Information, or Payment Options. 4. Once there, you should see your current billing address and have an option to edit or change it. 5. Enter your new billing address and confirm the changes. Keep in mind that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the specific platform.
Changing billing address with your bank.
If you want to change the billing address associated with your credit or debit card, you'll likely need to do this through your bank. Again, the exact steps can vary, but here's a general idea of how it's done. 1. Log in to your online banking account. 2. Navigate to Account Services, My Profile, or something similar. 3. Look for an option that involves contact information or address change. 4. Update your billing address and confirm the changes. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can change your billing address whenever you need to. Remember, keeping your billing address up to date is crucial for smooth financial transactions. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.